Salut! In this new lesson, we are going to talk about how to thank someone in French.
The French master guiche, the French master guiche, the French master guiche, the French master guiche.
TheFrenchMasterGH.com.
Learn French the easy way.
Thanking someone is very, very important, and we need to know how to do that. Assuming you went to a francophone country, okay, and someone was very generous towards you, and you need to say thank you. How do you say that? In French, thank you is merci, 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 merci. Good. This is said when you actually know the person. Okay, in a formal situation, you go to an office. In a formal setting, you rather say je vous remercie. Je vous remercie. Je vous remercie. But with someone that you know, your friend, you can say je te remercie or simply say merci. Now, if you are not sure of whether to say je vous remercie or je te remercie, just say merci. OK? Merci beaucoup pour avoir regardé cette vidéo. OK? Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, now how do you exaggerate? Okay, in thanking someone. One is merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Beaucoup is so much. Okay, you can also say merci énormément. Merci énormément. Merci énormément. Okay, je vous remercie énormément, monsieur. Okay, I hope you've got a point now. You can now thank someone in French.